obviously in the making, but transmission comes through the tunnel in the right spot. Need to put the whole dash back in. Can't run her that long, she doesn't have a radiator, so she starts and runs by her own key. But I have the truck harness, so I'm going to mount my ECU here. I'm going to get new front accessories so that water pump won't be hitting it. Yeah, I took the covers off because just finished up all the wiring. As we're looking around, I still need to cut some of the old Miata wires that you see hanging over there. I have the C6 Corvette intake on it. And because I'm replacing all of the accessories that go from the truck, I'm actually going to step back and take off this adapter, which will push this back and allow me to mount these a little bit higher, and this will be flatter, more like that. But she runs. My radiator should be here next week, and I can throw all the body and the interior back in. I'll probably do some of that tonight. But yeah, it's kind of a mess in here right now. That's a BMW sway bar out of an E36. I need to go pick up tonight. I have some more mounts that are being welded up by Dan Workman. That should fit and hold it at the right angle to mount to my lower control arms. And I should be getting a new crank pulley as well from the Camaro instead of the truck motor. Let me know if there's anything more you want to see. Happy to give you a walk around.